Hello everyone, my name is Sławomir Iwanowski, I'm from Scodix. We are so pleased to be here on the Pamex exhibition on the eSite booth. We are so excited to exhibit a lot of interesting developments Scodix done for the last couple of years. We are showing 17 different applications. You can do on the one press, especially the Luxe, the latest one, the Luxe, where we can embellish uncoated paper, leather and textured paper. We are mainly into the premium packaging industry, where our customers can do very luxury production on our presses. Also this one, we are very proud of, from the first installation we've done in India. Srinivas Fine Arts, the company who is producing the books, very luxury products. We have a lot of installation in UAE and other countries where our customers are doing also very luxury products with rigid boxes, with special effects like custom cure, like micro embossing, like sculpture effects. We can do also very fancy micro embossing effects, which can give additional value to the production of our customers. So we met a lot of interesting prospects here on the Pamex, and we believe that at the upcoming weeks we can close few interesting projects together with our partner Inside Communication. Thank you so much.